Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Today our film's about motorbikes. I hope to teach you the basics within the next minute or so. These are a wheel. Stop it.
What?
Right, these are the wheels. See?
Mom.
That is a seat, I think. That's the engine. That's the engine. That's where the petrol goes.
Right, Daddy.
And now I think that's probably all you need to know. Oh, and they've got a light. This particular motorbike is a Triumph Thunderbird. I know that because it says that. Because I used to have one of them. And this is the back wheel. That's called the back wheel. That's called the front wheel. That's called the brake. And that's called the brake. And they're connected to the wheels. They make you stop. The lights come on if it's dark, probably. And that tells you which direction to go. Oh, and the exhaust pipes. Yeah, they exhaust the gas after the internal combustion engine has combusted the petrol from there. And each time it combusts, it fires a piston up, which in turn turns the back wheel. And the front wheel's the only one that steers. In fact, you steer on a motorbike by leaning. This steers you left. This steers you right.
You can't see your face.
Again, left. Right. Oh, and motorbikes very famously can do a wheelie. Woo. That's not the actual engine noise, but this is just like the engine noise.
It's been 3.5 minutes of you babbling.
No, that was really good. Motorbikes.
Thank you!
Hold on. Nature's way to get around.
Sure, yeah, right. Okay, say bye. Say bye, baby.
Thanks for that. Bye.